Good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Okay, mnanipata vizuri?
Kabisa.
Okay, I am Madam Nancy. I will be taking you through computer hardware and software. So who can define for us computer hardware? Yes? Kevin, can you define for us? Yes, David?
Yeah, a computer hardware are the physical parts of a computer.
Yeah, that is nice. They are physical parts of a computer. And what is computer hardware? Software, sorry. What is computer software? Kevin. Are you able to see my screen? So, computer hardware, these are any physical parts of a computer. Mnaona hiyo screen vizuri? Hello? Are you able to see the screen?
Tunaona vizuri, madam.
Sawa sawa. So computer hardware, they are any physical device or equipment used in or with a computer system. So those are things that you can touch and you can see. So we have the external hardware devices. Those are any hardware devices that is located outside the computer. So in external hardware, we have the input devices. Examples are the keyboard, mouse, touch screen, joystick. So those input devices are a piece of hardware devices which is used to enter information to a computer for processing. And we have the output devices. Those are piece of hardware devices that receives information from a computer. Examples, we have the monitor, printer, scanner, and other examples. We have the internal hardware. So internal hardware, any piece of hardware devices that is located inside the computer. Examples are the CPU, hard disk, ROM, and RAM. We have the computer software. These are a set of instructions or programs that tells a computer what to do or how to perform a specific task. Main types of software, we have the system software, application software. So let us see on application software. Application software, these are computer programs that provide users with tools to accomplish a specific task. Examples, we have the word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, database management system, internet browser, email programs, and others. We have the system software. These are designed to run a computer hardware and application software and make the computer system available for use. So a system software, it serves as the interface between hardware, application software, and the user. So the main function of the system software is to allocate system resources, managing storage space, storing data, and retrieval of files. We have types of system software. We have the operating system, device driver, utility software and programming software. So we have the operating system. These are software that controls and coordinates the computer hardware devices and runs other software and application on a computer. It is the main part of the system software, and a computer will not function without an operating system. So the main function of an operating system is to boot the computer, manage systems resources. We have like the CPU, memory, storage devices, manage files, handling input and output, execute and provide services for application software. We have examples of operating system. We have the Microsoft Windows, Apple iOS and Android OS, and others. So we have the device driver. These are software programs that is designed to control a particular hardware device that is attached to a computer. It instructs computer on how to communicate with the device by translating the operating system instructions into a language that a device can understand in order to perform the necessary task. Examples of the device driver: we have the printer, display driver, USB, and others. We have the utility software, a type of software that helps set up, analyze, configure, strengthen, and maintain a computer and performs a very specific task. Examples of the utility software: we have the antivirus and backup software. And the last part, this is a diagram showing the function of a system software. We said earlier on that a system software, it acts as the interface between application software, hardware, and the user. So, is there any question? Kuna swali? Okay, that marks the end of our lesson. And before I want to give you an assignment to explain the difference between computer hardware and software. Explain difference between computer hardware and software. And that marks the end of our lesson, unless there is a question. Nani ako na swali? If there is no question, let's meet tomorrow so that we can discuss more on computer hardware and software. Otherwise, have a nice evening. We meet tomorrow.